everyone, this is Eric at Galloway Precision. We're going to do a spring install on a TS9 from Taurus. We're offering a striker and a blocker spring kit. Comes with these. These are pretty straightforward. They do have this little goofy takedown right there you got to push to get that thing apart. It's definitely unique to this model gun. These come apart. They have like an entire fire control assembly back here that comes out. So we're going to go ahead and just compress this. Keep your thumb over top because it does have quite a bit of pressure. Remove your striker spring. That's the guide. We also offered a stainless steel guide for the plastic one. If you'd like to purchase that, it's also on the website. Now right here on each side you'll see these two little tabs. You just got to push just like that and these tabs will be exposed, and then you can pull this whole assembly up and out. Okay. Your blocker spring is going to come flying. It's going to kick this guy out, and this splits apart. If it does come apart, don't freak out or anything. It's no big deal. It only assembles one way. All right, just a little sliding striker like you see in a lot of 22s, firing pins setups as well. All right, so we pull our parts out. I'm going to set these out of the way so I don't get confused. Striker spring, blocker spring. You flip this over on its side. There's a small pocket you'll see right there. I'm trying to get this thing mostly seated. You see the shape of this? It's got that long finger. That goes to the side of that blocker spring. So we're going to do this. We're going to go ahead and put that thing in there at the top of the stroke and kind of catch it and roll that down. See? Alright, so that's kind of captured. Take this guy and you're going to put him in just like that. Okay, keep your finger on there till that's seated. Drop this whole assembly in. Those tabs got to be out. Push them in. Drop your new striker spring in. Striker guide. Go ahead and assemble this guy. Just get him started. Compress this guy down. Push that shut, alright? Then you just reassemble it like you would normally. The stock guide rod, our guide rod, whatever you're working with, all that'll go together, and this goes together like the TX series, just like that. Okay, you're all set. Pretty straightforward, pretty quick, not a whole lot to it. Hope that helps. As always, be safe, be accurate, God bless.